Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel Yoga Therapy with Sucheta. Today we're discussing thyroid health but from a yoga therapy lens. So if you are someone who wakes up exhausted even though they've had 7 to 8 hours of rest in the night, are heavy, puffy, and feeling like they're doing night shifts in their own home, which means basically that you can't sleep at night even though you are exhausted, then this video is for you. So today I'll be sharing 3 signs that your thyroid is not working the way it needs to, and 3 things that you can start doing in yoga therapy even today. You can do it outdoor like I am today or even at home. If you would like to know more about the science behind thyroid function, let me know in the comments. So let's get started. You'll need a mat and a block. So the first sign is waking up tired even though you've rested for a good 7 to 8 hours, feeling like you've never really rested well. That is the first sign of a thyroid imbalance. So we're going to be doing a yoga therapy practice known as the Jalandhar Bandh. So I'm going to demo it for you over here and you can do 2 rounds. Very good to practice as you've just woken up in the morning before you touch your phone, before you grab your coffee, just so that your system can reset. So let's do this together. You inhale, take a deep breath in through the nose. Now as you exhale, you're very gently going to start to bring the chin to the chest, and you're just going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you release, look up and inhale. So for that whole length of time, we're actually not breathing. You've exhaled, you've held the breath, you've held the lock, which this is known as the throat lock in English. So this is very, very good to stimulate the thyroid function. Sign number 2, low thyroid function can also show up as bloating, feeling sluggish, just this digestive feeling like it's absolutely slow. So for this, we were going to practice supported fish pose. So what we're going to do is place 2 blocks. One is going to come underneath your shoulder blade. So as you lie down, make sure the block is underneath the shoulder blade so it gently lifts the chest. And one block is just for underneath your head. You can keep the knees bent or you can straighten it out. Completely up to you. You can also alternatively do butterfly pose. You can just allow the arms to fall open like this. Just close the eyes, listen to the sounds of nature and breathe deeply for 1 to 2 minutes. The third sign is that you can't sleep at night even though you're exhausted. So you can do this on the bed before going to sleep. I'm going to be demoing it here on the mat and a block. So this is supported child's pose. You're going to come into regular child's pose on the mat or on the bed. Use a pillow or like I'm using, use a block. You're going to stretch the arms forward and bring the head down so it rests on top of the block, which really helps the body to release. It's a signal for the body that okay, it is time to rest. We can forget the rest of our thoughts, the day, and get ready to sleep. Practice this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Thyroid health is deeply connected to your breath, your stress levels, your energy flow, and the pranic flow. This is what I try to incorporate in my yoga therapy sessions as well as in my hormonal wellness programs. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you for joining me.